Welcome to NAFECO Vendor Spotlight. We're here with Mark Marino, the Category Sales Manager for Uniforms for Lion. Welcome, Mark. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having us here today.
Can you tell us a little bit about Lion?
Yeah, so Lion obviously is known for making turnout gear, safety solutions, total care for your products, and of course, we have our uniform line under the Elbeco name.
Yeah, tell us about Elbeco specifically.
Elbeco has a history dating back to 1898. We are known for an industry lead on Class A, Class B uniforms. We have one of the best fits for females in the industry as well. We offer products for all of our public safety partners, whether that's EMS, law enforcement, corrections, or whoever else has a need for these products.
I understand you got the UFX Tactical launch that's coming out.
Yeah, we
Tell
do.
us about that.
We do. We have a UFX Bold and a UFX Persist here. We have always been known for being an industry leader in Class A and Class B uniforms. But our customers also have a need for items like this tactical. So this is where we're going to be introducing our UFX Bold and UFX Persist tactical line. And this is what we're really excited to bring to market to help support those needs.
Can you elaborate a little bit more on what makes it different from the competitors?
Yeah, so we have two tactical lines within our UFX Bold. Stretch, it's ripstop. It's got great features like quiet close magnets on the cargo pockets. And then what you see in front of you are UFX Persist. Great modern take on the tactical pant. Tons of features. We have a modern stretch waistband. We have places for knives, places for cell phones, articulated knees, male and female fit. And then we have our corresponding polos. Incredible stretch on this, raglan sleeves. Think of movement.
You've also got an NFPA certified uniform, don't you?
We do. So we have tons of solutions for those departments that do require an NFPA certified uniform. We have our Hero Guard and our Hero Shield. Hero Guard is Nomex. Hero Shield is cotton. We also have a new cover pant to help kind of bridge that gap between turnout gear and your station wear.
I understand you're going to do a tactical giveaway.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about that? That's exciting.
So a lucky winner is going to be able to receive a UFX Persist pant and polo. Just need your sizes and that person's going to be all set.
So reach out to your NAFECO Territory Manager for all these great offers, or go to nafeco.com/Elbeco and register for this great giveaway. Thank you for being here, Mark.
Thanks for having me.